Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Zapier AI automation step by step, so you can start automating your work without needing any coding skills. So first, let's quickly understand what Zapier actually does. It's an automation platform that connects different apps together. For example, you can automatically send data from Gmail to Google Sheets or from a form into Slack. Now, with AI features added, Zapier doesn't just move data, it can also understand, summarize, generate, and make decisions based on that data. To get started, the first thing you need to do is create a Zapier account and log in to your dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll see an option to create a Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow made of two main parts, a trigger and an action. The trigger is the event that starts everything. For example, receiving a new email, getting a new lead, or someone submitting a form. The action is what happens next, like sending a message, updating a spreadsheet, or creating a task. Now here's where AI comes in. When you're building your Zap, you can add an AI step in between the trigger and the action. Zapier provides built-in AI tools like AI by Zapier, which can analyze text, summarize content, extract key details, or even generate responses. Let me give you a simple example so you can understand clearly. Imagine you receive customer emails every day. You can set Gmail as your trigger. Then add an AI step to summarize each email or detect its intent, like whether it's a complaint, a question, or a sales inquiry. After that, you can create different actions, like sending urgent emails to Slack or saving important details into a Google Sheet. Setting this up is actually very simple. When you add the AI step, you just write a prompt, basically instructions telling the AI what to do. For example, you can write, "Summarize this email in one sentence," or extract the customer name and issue. Zapier will then process the data automatically. Another powerful use case is content creation. You can connect tools like Google Docs or Notion and use AI to generate drafts, rewrite text, or clean up messy data. This is especially useful for marketers, writers, or anyone dealing with repetitive text tasks. Now let's talk about testing, because this is important. Zapier allows you to test every step before turning your automation on. Always run a test to make sure your trigger works correctly and your AI output is accurate. If the AI response is not what you want, you can simply adjust your prompt and test again. Once everything looks good, you turn on your Zap and that's it. Your automation will now run in the background without any manual effort. But there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, keep your prompts clear and specific. The better your instructions, the better your AI output. Second, don't overcomplicate your workflow in the beginning. Start simple, then build more advanced automations later. And third, be aware of task limits and pricing, because each automation run can count towards your usage. So, is Zapier AI worth using? Honestly, yes, especially if you want to save time and reduce repetitive work. It's one of the easiest ways to combine automation with AI without needing technical skills. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.